One of the favorites for free parting at the crown area is the patty. The patty is for parting, free parting at the crown area. So you have a client who has no hairline and wishes to protect her hairline. She also wants to use lace closures or lace frontals so that she can part her hair at the crown, at the top crown area. Also for this demonstration, I am using the patty with the crown. As you can see, you can get the hairline protectors or the hairline and crown protectors. So always take the indented part, goes behind the ear. That is how you know how to place the piece. So you bring it forward and these go over the ear. Well, the client has ears, so it's gonna stay. It's really doesn't stay very well on the dolls, but you get the gist of it. And there you have it. Make sure you're looking for it to be even on both sides. One way to tell that it's even is to go behind and make sure that the two red hearts are even there. And there you have it. She is ready to get her weave on.